Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Leena Francis. And today we are diving into a super exciting topic. Must have GitHub repositories for learning. This video is actually requested by Khushi Saraswat and it's for anyone looking for some great GitHub repos to boost their skills, whether you're just starting out or looking to take things to the next level. So let's dive right in. So GitHub isn't just a place to store your code. It's a treasure trove of learning resources. Repositories are like mini projects or collection of code that you can either contribute to or learn from. There are countless repos out there, but today I'll highlight a few that every developer should explore. Let's jump right in with the first one, Free Code Camp. If you have been learning to code, you have probably heard of Free Code Camp. This repo offers a whole curriculum of coding lessons, challenges, and real-world projects, from web development to data science. It's perfect for anyone looking to build a solid foundation in programming. Next up, we have got the algorithms. Algorithms repo is one of the best places to start if you want to dive into algorithms and data structures. This one's great for anyone prepping for coding interviews or just looking to improve their problem-solving skills. It's open source and covers various programming languages. Coming in at number 3, we have Eloquent JavaScript. If you are learning JavaScript, this repo is a goldmine. It's the companion code for the book Eloquent JavaScript, which is one of the best resources for mastering JS. The repo has interactive examples and detailed explanation. Plus, it's constantly updated with the latest JavaScript features. Now, if you're into web development, you absolutely need to check out the Odin project. The Odin project is a full-stack curriculum that takes you from beginner to advanced. It's completely free, and the GitHub repo contains tons of projects that can build to practice your skills, from HTML and CSS to Node.js and React. It's an all-in-one learning path. If you're interested in machine learning, there's a repo called Awesome Machine Learning. This repo is like a curated list of best machine learning resources available. Whether you're looking for tutorial tools or datasets, this repo has it all. It's community driven, so it's constantly evolving with latest trends and techniques in ML. Next, let's talk about 30 seconds of code. This one is perfect if you are into writing concise, reusable code. 30 seconds of code is a collection of short, one-liner code snippets for various programming languages. It's a fantastic resource for learning common programming tricks and techniques that can save you time in long run. And if you're a beginner to Python, check out Python Pattern. This repo is all about Python design patterns and best practices. It's an awesome way to get acquainted with the structure and organization of code. You will learn how to write Python code that is clean, maintainable, and scalable. Finally, for all the open source enthusiasts, there is First Contributions. If you are new to open source, First Contributions is an amazing resource to get started. It provides step-by-step instructions on how to make your first contribution to open source projects. Don't worry if you have never done it before. This repo walks you through the entire process from forking a repo to making a pull request. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. If you are ever looking for more awesome repositories, check out Awesome Lists. There's a repo called Awesome that aggregates thousands of curated lists on various topics from programming languages to design patterns to tech tools. Just search Awesome and the topic you are interested in. You will find a treasure trove of resources to dive into. And that's a wrap up. Those are my top must-have GitHub repositories for learning and improving your skills. I hope you found this list helpful and that it inspires you to start exploring and contributing to some of these projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are also learning to code. Let me know in the comments which repo you are most excited to check out, or if you have any other awesome repos to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!